So a big round of applause for all of you, and all the people here have to actually compete with them. So remember, okay? Okay, we begin our session now. He's a man from a small town, Nahan in Himachal Pradesh. Have you heard? Strength, wait. Have you heard of a soft-spoken rock star? He's a soft-spoken rock star. Let me call upon stage a charming man whose voice melts into the most heart-wrenching romantic ballads. Yes, Duba Duba to Masakali, Sada Haq and now Matar Gashti. Let's welcome Mohit Chauhan.
मटर गश्ती खुली सड़क में पकड़ी सड़क सड़क में ओले गिरे सुलगते थे सड़क में छतरी न थी बगल में आया ही ना अकल में
Okay, any 3 seconds pause means those guys there are going to scream Mohit, Mohit. We know he's Mohit Chauhan. Wow. I quite like the collection of your caps. Isn't that interesting? He has this panache to carry the most amazing caps everywhere he goes. But talking of his journey from Nahan to where you've been, and you've done Masakali, Sada Haq, it started with Duba Duba. I'm sure we'll hear that as we go ahead. But it's been quite a journey. And my only mission in this entire interview is to see if he's rock star Mohit or he's this romantic Mohit. Okay? How has the journey been?
Oh, how are you guys doing? Thank you so much. Really nice being here. My journey from the mountains, to Delhi and then to Mumbai has been really beautiful, like all journeys are. Where the journey matters the most. कहाँ पहुँचते हैं उसका उतना matter नहीं होता और मालूम भी नहीं होता कहाँ जा रहे हैं. पर जो journey है, जो सफर है, that's the most important thing, and that's been pretty beautiful. Yeah.
He's a master's in geology, and now he's doing this master's in geology with all his numbers. Am I correct? Matar Gashti, A.R. Rahman, you're working with him for the 3rd time. Maybe you could hum a few lines for us and tell us about this experience of working with A.R. Rahman.
रहमान साहब के साथ काम करना मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल है. सबसे पहले उनके लिए जो मैंने गीत गाया था वो था एक फिल्म थी रंग दे बसंती. उसमें खून चला करके गीत था. That was my first song with him. और रहमान साहब के साथ ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ हुई थी जब मैं पहली बार उनके यहाँ स्टूडियो में गया चेन्नई. मुझे लगा था वो इतने बड़े म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर हैं तो वहाँ बहुत लोग होंगे, भीड़ होगी. पर जब मैं वहाँ पर गया तो स्टूडियो में कोई भी नहीं था. एंड ही वाज अलोन ओवर देयर. ही वाज रिकॉर्डिंग मी, गाइडिंग मी, putting the music together, and I was really amazed to be there and to see him work the way he did.
नहीं, हमने जितना उनको देखा है वो हमेशा या तो काम कर रहे होते या देख के ऐसे हल्का स्माइल करते. तो बात भी करते हैं.
बात करते हैं. He's got a great sense of humor.
Wow.
Yeah, he does. एक बार ये रॉकस्टार का मैं एक गाना गा रहा था. रॉकस्टार में बहुत मुश्किल गाने भी हैं. तो इम्तियाज उधर खड़े थे और कुछ बता रहे थे भाई, और कुछ देर हो रही थी, कुछ लाइनों को फिक्स कर रहे थे. तो उन्होंने कॉफ़ी मंगाई. तो इम्तियाज़ ने रहमान साहब को पूछा आपके लिए कॉफ़ी मंगाते हैं. इरशाद भाई थे वहाँ पर. तो इम्तियाज़ ने कहा रहमान साहब को, सर रिकॉर्डिंग 2 मिनट के लिए रोक दें, मोहित को भी कॉफ़ी पूछ लेते हैं. तो रहमान साहब बोलते, नो दिस इज अ वेरी इमोशनल सॉन्ग, लेट हिम फील द पेन, कीप हिम हंग्री, डोंट गिव हिम एनी कॉफ़ी. एंड देन ही वाज लाफिंग. ही इज एन अमेजिंग पर्सन, अमेजिंग सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर, एंड ही इज वेरी चिल्ड आउट, वेरी वेरी अमेजिंग.
सामने सड़क दिख रही है, सड़क पर चले मटर गश्ती करने.
मटर गश्ती, ओके. मटर गश्ती. फिर दे गई झांसा, मैंने उसे फंसा, चिरकुट जिंदगी, you know, ना 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 ना. फिर दे गई झांसा, मैं वही मुझे फांसा, चिरकुट जिंदगी, you know. Tong 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 tong.
Wow.
Thank you.
Wow, that deserves a great round of applause. Now to the quest. So are you rock star Mohit? Or are you romantic Mohit? Okay. No, how could a boy know that?
Honestly, I think I'm just a dreamer, and I consider myself somebody who, was passionate about music since I was born, and I consider myself, I love to create, I love to make my songs. दूसरों के भी जब गाने मुझे गाने को मिलते हैं, तो मैं उनको थोड़ा अपने स्टाइल का बना देता हूँ, और so I don't know if I'm a rock star musician or a romantic musician, but I'm just a musician actually.
Wow.
Honestly, yeah.
But are you ready to vote? Are you ready to vote? Because now I'm going to ask him to sing in his avatar as a rock star and then as a romantic man. Okay? That sounds nice? Then we vote. Then we vote for you. Okay. So first the rock star avatar.
What's the romantic?
Oh, first is romantic. So I think we're heading towards the answer.
Okay. Will you guys sing with me? ना ही है तेरा ना होना, क्यों होना ही है तुमसे ही सुरमई, तुमसे ही हर घड़ी जिंदगी, तुमसे ही Thank you. Shukriya.
This is just the first half. The rock star.
And you're already up on your feet. Okay. Thank you so much for singing along. Thanks so much.
The rock star one. The rock star? Yeah, yeah. Sada Haq. Okay, now you can vote. Hands up for the rock star Mohit. Hands up for the romantic Mohit. What does that mean to you?
That means rock में भी romance होता है और romance में भी rock होता है.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Come, please sit. You quite became the voice for Ranbir Kapoor over a period of time. How does it feel to identify? Because there was a time in Bollywood when knew that Kishore Kumar was singing for Rajesh Khanna, or they had their own voices. How does that feel?
I think it's amazing when you do playback singing for Hindi films and your voice sort of suits an actor of the caliber that Ranbir is. And especially in Rockstar, मैंने उनके लिए पहले भी गाने गाए राजनीति में और कुछ फिल्मों में, but Rockstar में the way he sort of portrayed the songs, the way he came on the screen and sang the songs, जब मैं भी उन गानों को देख रहा था फिल्म में, तो मुझे लगता था रणबीर गा रहे हैं गाने को, and that's the quality of an amazing actor.
Yeah.
So I think that's why the whole thing comes together when on the screen an actor portrays the voice as his own. जैसे पुराने times में राजेश खन्ना साहब करते थे किशोर कुमार साहब की voice को. So I think it's beautiful. Yeah.
Because you've talked of Rockstar, I think Sada Haq it became like an anthem for the kids. But beyond that, Nada Parinde had a thing that people just got hooked on to. If you can sing it from the initial few lines.
कागर कागर मोरी इतनी अरज तो से चुन चुन खायो मांस कागर कागर मोरी इतनी अरज तो से चुन चुन खायो मांस अरज यार खायो ना दो ना मोर खायो ना तू ना मोर पिया से मिलन की आस खायो ना दो ना मोर खायो ना तू ना मोर पिया से मिलन की आस
Songs like this, I see these amazing expressions on the monitor. Wow, please.
Thank you, guys.
But there are certain very interesting things about Mohit that I want to share with all of you. You have these singers these days who have like one hit album and the first thing they do is hire a PR agency to take care of their PR. And he's never hired a PR agency in his life. Isn't that amazing in these times? He just likes that laid-back attitude where his songs speak for him. Why?
I think your work is your best PR. और एक musician के लिए, एक संगीतकार के लिए, songwriter के लिए, उसके जो गाने होते हैं, that's the most important thing. And for me, I believe the songs that I write myself or the songs that I sing, other people's compositions, songs are like ships. एक बार आपने उसको गाया, and you let them out in the world, और हर गाने की अपनी एक destiny होती है.
You have ships sailing all over.
I think, yeah, that's
the most important thing. He has his ships sailing all over.
Yeah.
Ghulam Ali Sahab, because you like ghazals a lot.
Yes, I do. I grew up listening to a lot of Hindi film music, as well as ghazals. So Ghulam Ali Sahab, Mehndi Hasan Sahab, और Ghulam Ali Sahab खास करके मेरे बहुत favorite रहे.
Were you hurt when, because of the kind of politics we have in our country currently, he was not allowed to perform in Mumbai?
I think music has no borders. और जो artists होते हैं वो pure होते हैं, उनकी soul pure होती है अंदर से, उनका कोई मकसद नहीं होता है वैसा, उनका सिर्फ मकसद होता है प्यार फैलाना और अपना संगीत गाना. So I think that's the most important thing.
Before we hear a ghazal from him, all the boys there who are making all the sounds, one line from his song, then we move ahead. Who's gonna sing? Okay, we're hearing you. The one maybe who said he's romantic, Mohit. Yeah, sing. You could sing Sada Haq, you could sing any song.
Hi Mohit.
Hi.
How are you?
Very good, thank you.
So, मैं वो गाना गाता हूँ जब मेरी फर्स्ट गर्लफ्रेंड को मैंने गा के सुनाया था. तो दिल ये बेकरार क्यों है, इस पे धुन सवार क्यों है ये खुमार क्यों है, क्यों बता. Thank you.
Wow.
Very nice. I hope वो आपके साथ रही थी कुछ टाइम के, अभी हैं साथ में.
वो तो उसी टाइम छोड़ के भाग गई थी.
गाना अच्छा है, थोड़ा गाना इम्प्रूव करना पड़ेगा.
Thank you.
No, really nice. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much.
Just sort of kidding.
Yeah. Can we maybe hear the same lines or any ghazal that you would want to? Because I know.
please sing Guncha Koi for me, please.
Who's that?
Oh.
सर नाउ गुंचा कोई जैसे उन्होंने बोला आई sang that song for my girlfriend. I won't number the girlfriend's name. Like, so I want to sing that song with you, along with you. Guncha Koi, it's from your album and also from a movie.
No, it's from a film, and उस फिल्म का नाम था
Pati Patni.
पति पत्नी और वो.
पति पत्नी और वो, और ये गाना मैंने उस फिल्म में 2 गाने कंपोज किए थे.
It's a lovely.
तो उसमें से एक ये गुंचा.
Sir, please. Everybody can sing it. Whosoever knows the lyrics of the song. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, absolutely.
अंजना को देखिए और गाना गाइए यार.
देख गलत बात नहीं बोलनी चाहिए. Yeah. Yeah, the ghazal mode is setting in. You want to come closer, you can, but let's do that silently, please, up there.
Yeah, am I getting the sound in the guitar?
गुंचा कोई मेरे नाम कर दिया, साकी ने फिर से मेरा जाम भर दिया, साकी ने फिर से मेरा जाम भर दिया, गुंचा कोई तुम जैसा कोई नहीं इस जहान में, तुम जैसा कोई नहीं इस जहान में, सुबह को तेरी जुल्फ ने शाम कर दिया, सुबह को तेरी जुल्फ ने शाम कर दिया, गुंचा कोई
Wow.
दाद चाहेंगे.
Wow. Okay, as we go along, some more songs. But yeah, anybody here who wants to ask a question? Can we please have some questions from the audiences now? You can raise your hand if you want to ask a question. Where? Okay. So I think, yeah. Yeah, we can hear you. Go ahead. The mic's not working. Can we have another mic, please? Yeah, there.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
सर मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहता हूँ, कहना यास कि आपके ये जो सपना था, ड्रीमर था जो आपका सिंगिंग बनने का, कहाँ से शुरू हुआ?
अच्छा,
देखो जब से मैं बहुत छोटा था तब से म्यूजिक जो था, संगीत जो था वो मेरी आत्मा का हिस्सा था। और हालांकि मैंने कॉलेज में साइंस पढ़ा है, बीएससी करी मैंने, फिर मैंने एमएससी किया, पर म्यूजिक जो था वो हमेशा मेरे साथ रहा। और तो वो हमेशा जहन में रहता था, माइंड में रहता था। बाद में मुझे प्रोफेशनल बनने की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली जब मैं बैंड का हिस्सा बना सिल्क रूट, और उसके बाद फिल्म्स में गाया, बट म्यूजिक वाज ऑलवेज पार्ट ऑफ मी। सो सिंस आई वाज अ स्मॉल किड, आई वाज जस्ट डूइंग इट।
till we get the mic for the next question, do you miss being in a band? Silk Route was
yes.
long, 2000 it was dissolved.
Yeah, 2003 में dissolve हो गया था शायद, 2004 में। I think it's sometimes, it definitely comes into my head, because being in a band is something really beautiful, and those were some of the most beautiful and the most creative times of my career. So I guess so, yeah, definitely.
So how does a band survive? It haunts us. Do they actually just eat any little food that they get, like work, get the music right? How is it? Because I'm sure many of you aspire to be musicians. How is it part of being a band?
It's really, really nice actually, because you have this bunch of people together, और creative sessions होते हैं, मस्ती होती है, लेकिन जो आप काम कर रहे हैं, that is really close to your heart. So it doesn't feel like work, and yeah, it's like teamwork actually. तो उसमें आप लोगों के arguments भी हो सकते हैं, आप लोगों के अपने अपने opinions होते हैं, but finally you have to come together and work as a team toward the direction that you want to reach, and that's where most successful bands go and do. Yeah.
Two girls here in front who want to ask. Can we have the mic here, please? Yeah, please come.
So we're from the Vasanali school.
From the nodding, I know it's a joint question.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can we come and sing with you?
Wow, why not?
Sure, yeah. Please come. Please come. Give the girls a hand, please. What are your names?
Okay, so now it's your turn to tell us you're awake on this side, okay? Okay, all the people this side, because they've been on their toes. All the people this side need to tell us they're awake. Okay, great, we know you're awake.
So what are your names? Tarini and? Kamya. Okay. These girls want to sing a very beautiful song from... Okay. From a film called Rockstar. And now you guys start, I'll sing with you.
Hello, hello.
साथ मेरे
साथ मेरे हो
Okay.
तुम यूं जितना महसूस करूं तुमको उतना ही पा भी लूं।
बिना
क्या फिकर अब हमें, बंदिश ना
नहीं कोई बाकी तुम हो। वाह, ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी नाइस। Thank you very much.
We deserve to hear that song from you now. Don't we? We deserve to hear that song from you. Wow. Doesn't his voice grow huskier in certain songs?
Should I sing? But you guys have to sing with me then. पास मेरे साथ मेरे हो तुम यूं, जितना महसूस करूं तुमको उतना ही पा भी लूं। तुम हो मेरे लिए हो तुम यूं, खुद को मैं हार गया तुमको मैं जीता हूँ। ओ ना 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 ना, तुम हो कहीं से कहीं को भी आओ बेवजह चले, पूछे बिना किसी से हम मिले। बंदिशें ना रही कोई बाकी तुम हो। ना 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 na 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 na. Thank you.
Wow. A big round of applause from this side. Yes. Okay, so you're awake. Are you? Can we have some more questions maybe from this side? Yeah? Yeah, a lot of hands going up.
Hello.
Okay, we'll try and get someone up there with the mic. We'll come to you. Meanwhile, can we have a question from here? Can we have somebody please go up there?
Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
We can hear you. You forgot the question.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Okay, I think we can hear you without the mic.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
हेलो हेलो, मेरी आवाज आ रही है? आवाज आ रही है?
मैं हेलो मोहित सर। हेलो एक्सक्यूज मोहित सर।
जी जी
सर, एक सॉन्ग रिक्वेस्ट करना है आपसे फ्रॉम द सिल्क रूट, बूंदे।
Duba Duba. Okay, so we'll have Duba Duba.
मैम बूंदे, नॉट डूबा डूबा, बूंदे।
Oh. Okay. Louder.
डूबा डूबा या बूंदे? डूबा डूबा।
Okay. On the guitar. If I were asked, I would say both. Okay, let's hear this.
दो लाइनें बूंदे की गा देता हूँ, फिर डूबा डूबा गा देता हूँ, उसके बाद थोड़ा सा यादों में पलकों पे बूंदे लिए आईना बनी ये आंखें तेरी धीमी सी खुशबू है हवाओं के झोंकों ने जो झुके तुझे चुराए ना 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 डूबा रहता हूँ आँखों में तेरी दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी डूबा रहता हूँ आँखों में तेरी दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी अब दिन गुजरते नहीं रातें कटती नहीं तेरी तस्वीर से बात बनती नहीं ओ आजा जाने ना पहचाने ना ये हुआ कैसे तुम आ गए ख्वाबों में ऐसे कोई जाने ना पहचाने ना ये हुआ कैसे तुम आ गए ख्वाबों में ऐसे बेवफा सुन बेवफा ना जा बेवफा ना जा डूबा रहता हूँ आँखों में तेरी दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी डूबा रहता हूँ आँखों में तेरी दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी अब दिन गुजरते रहे रातें कटती रहे तस्वीर से बात बनते रहे ओ आजा ना जा ना जा बेवफा ओ ना जा ना जा ना जा बेवफा ना जा बेवफा बेवफा आजा बेवफा आजा बेवफा आजा sing with me la 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 la
La la la la le, la 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 la. La 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 le, la 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 la. La 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 le, la 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 la. La 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 le, la 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 la. La 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 le, la 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 la. La 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 le, la 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 la. La 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 la.
Don't we all now know who's the first love of romantic Mohit? Duba Duba. Look at him. He was lost. He wasn't even looking at us while he was singing that song. Okay, it's time to wind up. I know you're going to be really upset with me, but it's time to say bye now. But it's been such an amazing session. No. They say no.
Everybody is saying Naja Bewafa.
Yeah. All of you could say Naja Bewafa, but then we'll have to wind up a big yeah please.
It's really nice.
They won't dare switch it on.
You could maybe just thank you. Yeah. Oh, Mastak Kali. They want to hear one line from Mastak Kali. Mastak Kali.
Everybody should sing Masakali then.
Okay, Mastak Kali time, yeah.
But I just want to thank. What?
They're like Mastak Kali. Mastak Kali.
Do we have people who can dance on Masakali? We should dance on Masakali then. Please stand on your seats. Come on. And the song.
But on your seat.
Okay, give me a groove on this. Masakali, Madakali, Madakali, Masakali, Masakali, Madakali, Madakali, Masakali, Masakali, Madakali, Madakali, Masakali, Masakali, Madakali, Madakali. जरा पंख चटक गई धूल अटक और लचक मचक के दूर बटक उड़ डगर डगर कड़वसी में ये थोड़ी से मुड़ अदा से उड़ कर ले पूरी दिल की तमन्ना हवा से जुड़ अदा से उड़ फुर 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 तू हीरा बना रे मजा कली उड़ मड़ा कली ए मजा कली उड़ मड़ा कली
Wow.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for coming. And it's really beautiful to see you guys over there. The place is so beautifully filled up. And I want to thank Mind Rock 2015. Thank you for calling me.
Thank you so much. You've been an amazing audience. A big round of applause and a big thank you to Mohit. Thank you so much. Thank you. But before we leave, there are some signed mementos that we would like to give to the audiences here. Can we have them, Sakshi?
And I wish you guys peace and love, everyone.
Sakshi, the signed mementos. Yeah.
All right. In the meanwhile, can we have a big round of applause, guys, for Mohit Chauhan? And are we tweeting? Are we tweeting? We are tweeting under the hashtag MindRocks15. You have to give them out to someone. She's going to call. Okay. And this is for you guys, huh? So he's going to sign these CDs, and a lucky person from the audience is going to get that.
Catch it if you can.
Okay, so he's going to pick from the audiences. These are... Okay.
No, this is going to be confusing, Anjana. Let him sign it and let him throw it out to the audience. I think that would work.
no, we could call them. You could maybe come here.
Go right up in the front, Mohit. Right up in the front.
Okay, so we're just throwing this like a lucky thing for you. Okay, let's be careful. Let's be careful. The last
All right, that's that.
Okay, so final thank you to all of you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
All right, people, a big round of applause. Settle down, please. Do settle down now. While Mohit, I'd request you to stay on stage while I call upon Mr. C. Parameswaran, Director, Corporate and Industry Relations, Amrita University, to come up on stage and present a small token of our appreciation to Mohit Chauhan. A round of applause, guys, come on.
Big round of applause, please, all of you there.
Thank you, Anjana. Thank you, Mr. Parameswaran. Thank you, Mohit.
So this is music industry ki shaan, Mr. Mohit Chauhan.